Let's talk about members. Now, members are accounts on ILN that create entries and content like you. You can follow their content, they can follow yours, etc. Now, there is a member on ILN who I really want to follow because 1, he's very knowledgeable about accessibility, the course that I'm taking, and 2, he's a really good dude. So to find him, we just gotta click here, then click on Search Members, and then type in his name. In this case, Thomas. Now that we are on his page, we can see he has a good trust level, meaning he can share with a bunch of people at one time. Trust level basically determines how many people an account can share with at one time. If you want to get your trust level up, just use the platform responsibly, don't spam anybody. Now, to follow him, all we have to do is click here, and then here. Now we're following him. The reason we're following him is because we want to share this entry with him, and you can only share with an account that you're following so that you don't accidentally share with the wrong account. Now to share, we're going to click here, and then here, then just click on his name, or we can type it in, but he's right there. And then we're going to give a little message. Click share, and now he has access. So if we scroll down and click on the privacy icon here, we can see that he has access. He can view because we said he can add because normally, this is an open entry, although he can't share because it's a private entry. I can allow him to share, but in this case we don't want him to share. We don't want anyone else to see this unless we say so. Now if we wanted to add someone else, say Scott, type that in. There he is. Now both of them have access, although Scott doesn't need to see this, so we're actually going to remove him. Just click this here and confirm. That's the basics of the privacy. As a quick little thing, note that our entry here is private, but it also has a couple of other entries attached to it. Now these are private too, but with a slight different permission. So just to look at that, we're going to click here to look at the children entries, click on the timestamp to get to it. And if we click on the additional tools for accessibility, one of our to-dos, click on its privacy setting button, we can see that it's inherent private, which means basically that its parent is private, this is private. If we change the parent to public, this would be public. So say we change the things you can learn about accessibility to public, these would also be public, but because this is private, these are private. Now, if we go back to our private dashboards, click there, we can see that Thomas's stuff is where it should be. His goals now show up within our goals component. And if we go to, say, the social dashboard, see if he has any messages. Had a rough day, eating a whole bag of Cheerios and one sitting is tough. And we can actually comment on that. And then just hit enter. And now we have added a little comment to his message. Hope he has a better day. And I would say that basically sums it up for members.